Open house at May 12, 11-1. Showings to start May 12th. Move-in ready, 3-bed, 3-bath home on quiet cul-de-sac lot in Waterloo. You will love the open floor plan and vaulted ceilings westward beam as you enter from the entry foyer. The living room features a gas, brick fireplace, west windows on both sides and new carpet. The kitchen includes all appliances, a breakfast bar, pantry and sliding door to the deck and fenced-in yard west shed. The master has a large walk-in closet, and master bath has dual sinks, tons of storage and a large shower. There are 2 more bedrooms, one west, a walk-in closet and the guest bath on the main level, and a large main floor laundry west sink. The finished LL boasts a wet bar, rec room, family room, bonus room and bath. There is plenty of storage space as well. This home has been freshly painted and has new carpeting. Enjoy the easy access to the walking path to Lakeview Park, which includes fish.